New this week, a federal appeals court is considering advancing a controversial case out of North Carolina to the U.S. Supreme Court. The decision could have significant implications on whether the states have to cover health care for transgender people with government-sponsored insurance.
WCNC Charlotte's Austin Walker is joining us now to talk about this. Austin, breaking down the movement here from inside the chambers. What are we seeing?
Yeah, so the care in question is gender affirming, which means hormone therapy or puberty blockers or even sex reassignment surgeries. So all of that being considered for a few things. Now, attorneys for the state of North Carolina say the state-sponsored plan is not required to cover this. Now, the reason is it says being transgender is not an illness. Attorney John Nepper claims only a select number of transgender people suffer from gender dysphoria, and there's been a lot of pushback on this. Now, North Carolina doctor Jennifer Abbott, who specializes in gender-affirming care, says access to this care is critical for transgender persons, and in some cases, it is life-saving.
When they finally are able to access that care, you can immediately see positive changes in the mental health of the young people.
Now, the court case out of North Carolina isn't the only court case that could make its way to the U.S. Supreme Court. West Virginia has its own similar, but the question is if West Virginia Medicaid would cover gender-affirming surgery. Colin, Vanessa.
All right, thanks for that report, Austin. Thanks for keeping us up to date as well.